ما يخفيف نشكو كيف شك
We have huge potential in the blue economy space that is untapped and that needs investment and cooperation. And I am very confident that Israel can share with us your experience and work with your technology and work with your expertise in that space. And of course, on matters to do with security. And we also want to see how we can bring the private sector into this space.
We could do so much more in terms of business relations on all fields of agriculture, trade, science, and energy, and all other fields of joint cooperation. We are grateful to you for your friendship with us in the international forums.